How to upload high quality videos on Facebook. In order to do that, click right here to the three lines and then click right here first your gear icon on your settings. Now click on the search settings and search in here for data. Now from in there, you can see all of these things right here. You can actually be more specific, like for example, search in here for data saver. And then you can see this ones right here. So first things first, you need to head over, click on this device permissions and make sure that your camera as well as your photos and videos are allowed in order to do this. Now from here, let's head over and search in here for quality as well. And then once you have searched right here, just click on this low quality content. Then click on this three dots and make sure to show less of this one right here. Now from in there, let's head over and then just post your photos or videos as usual. Click on this what's on your mind. Click on this photo and video and then just choose the video that you want to upload on this case and then click on this post option. So that's how you upload high quality videos on Facebook. Hope we help.